Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Man, today, I literally just woke up 5 minutes ago. I'm still drinking my coffee. And I woke up and I was like, man, what should I make a video on today? So I typed in the DoorDash news like I always do. And damn, this story is freaking bad. This is bad. Like, holy crap. Not only is this guy getting deactivated, he'll never drive again, but he's going to jail for sure. Now, I've said this many times before. There isn't enough qualifications to become a DoorDash driver. It's too damn easy. I'm just like, no, don't take offense to that. I'm just saying it's too goddamn easy to get hired as a DoorDash driver. And holy shit, this is bad. Okay, so let's read the article. It's not COVID, I swear. A DoorDash driver's next run may be from the law after the social media video showed him digging his bare hands into a Chipotle order meant for a Brooklyn cop to leave a handwritten note implying he contaminated the meal in a much worse way than just leaving a note. Hope that dick tastes good, bitch. Read a small note. Let me just say that again. Hope that dick tastes good, bitch. Read a small note, misspelling the common vulgarism for male genitalia. Dick, that's how you spell it. We're not going to say penis. Okay, whatever. This is a funny article. This is by the New York Post, by the way. Holy crap. First of all, the fact that this guy left a note saying he contaminated something and he filmed a social media video. Dude, how dumb do you have to be? How dumb do you have to be? Jesus, this is like insane. Okay, this is like the lowest of civilization right here. The short video clip posted to Facebook on Monday shows the driver reaching into the open container of what appears to be a burrito bowl to bury the note under the shredded cheese and lettuce. You know I'm about to violate the shit out of this order. 61st precedent, the video posted, I don't know what that means, posted by the user with the handle so certified was captioned. I dreamed of moments like this. It continued, God, you've been so good to me, I don't know how to repay you. The video also shows a screenshot from the DoorDash app with instructions to deliver the order to the 61st President Station House on Coney Island Avenue in Sheepshead Bay. Jesus Christ. Police sources say it wasn't immediately clear whether the cop for whom the order was intended to be sampled the food, but wait, let me read that again. Police sources said it wasn't immediately clear whether the cop for whom the order was intended sampled the food before realizing it had been tampered with. Cops are investigating the contamination, and DoorDash spokeswoman said the driver, who has not publicly been identified, has been booted from the service. Bro, not only are you booted from the service, you admitted to, like, fucking with this cop's food. What? What is wrong with you? The behavior is absolutely unacceptable, and we have no place for that in our community. We take the trust and respect of our merchants, customers, and dashers extremely seriously, blah, blah, blah. DoorDash, blah, blah, blah. We have deactivated the customer. Oh, man, he got deactivated for this. Uh-oh, he got deactivated. Bruh, you're going to jail. Lori, Shallow, Chipotle, Chief Corporate, blah, blah, blah. Affairs added a statement that the actions displayed by this third-party delivery driver are inexcusable, and we ensured our delivery partner has deactivated the individual's account. That's it. That's it. That's the rest of this article. Bro. What did this guy jerk off into the freaking Chipotle? Like, did you use the guacamole as the lube, or what the fuck did you do, dude? How, like, why, and what is going on here to where you think that fucking with a cop fucking with a cop's food, admitting it, and then posting on social media. What? How dumb do you have to be to do something like this? And that just goes to show you how low of qualifications there are to become a DoorDash driver. This is why I've said before, like, it's crazy that there's no interview process, or like maybe like a chat on the phone or a Zoom interview, or man, like if I was running the company, I wouldn't just be hiring anyone, you know, like there's things like this that poor Bentley and DoorDash, like your stock just dropped for sure, probably at least a little bit. Man, like that's just not good for the company. And like when things like this is why you need to incentivize people and why you need to like pay people more, because when you're doing this, you're getting the lowest of lows. I mean, it's like when you're working like an entry level job or something at like McDonald's or something, you're not getting the highest qualified people applying for your job. And in my opinion, being an independent contractor who's delivering people's food, where there's got to be a lot of trust and there's got to be a lot of things involved, you should probably step up the qualifications. Anyways, quick break real quick. If you guys haven't yet, make sure you download the PAR link at the top of the description, and just download that PAR link. It's much safer now that there's no tip transparency and stuff, and it's just a normal app that's going to help you out with delivery driving, as well as at the right below that, there is a link that you guys can click on, so that way you can download DoorDash if you are not a DoorDash driver yet. It's obviously a great way of making money. If you are a lowlife, don't click on that damn link. We don't need any lowlifes doing this kind of crap. But yeah, if you are a good person and you want to drive for DoorDash and make some extra money, I use DoorDash to basically fund all of my businesses. So it's obviously a good way to drive around and stuff. I have a affiliate link right down there in the description that you guys can click on and sign up and work for DoorDash. But anyway, so I'm going to wrap up this video right there, because that is insane that can even like, I don't even there's like no words to explain how dumb this is. But okay, anyways, if you guys haven't yet, make sure you follow me on Instagram at Tanner Markley. We will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.